Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error in Windows 11. It's very easy to do, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is go into search, type in CMD, right click on this and say run as administrator. Hit yes. Then from here you want to type in msdt.exe space / id lowercase and power diagnostic. Okay, this will come up and you just click next, and then you say apply this fix, and then that is the first step. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go into the registry. So under search, type in registry editor, hit yes. On the left hand side, you'll see, well, the file path here, but you'll see H key local machine. Go down to software. Under software, you're going to see Microsoft. Under Microsoft, you're going to see Windows. If I scroll down here, here's Windows. And under Windows, you're going to see current version. And under current version, you're going to see policies somewhere. There it is, policies. And under policies, you want to type in Explorer. Okay, by default, you're probably not going to have this, so let me delete this. But if you do not have this, you want to right click on it, say new, dword 32-bit value, and make a value called no close. I already made it here, so I can't make it again, but name it no close. After you've made it, double click on it, make sure the value data is 0 and it's hexadecimal, say OK. And that is it for registry editor. Then after you've done this, go to task manager. So type in task manager, go to Windows Explorer. It should be somewhere, but if you can't, just type in Windows Explorer on the top. Right click on this and then select restart. So select restart, and that should fix the issue. If this helped you, leave the video a like. If it didn't help you, leave the video a comment, and I'll do my best to get back to you.